Hello guys, welcome to Monopoly again, and this time I'm not sucking at the game because I have played it and I understand the mechanics. So we are gonna quickly begin and you're gonna see some, well, I hope my luck does not suck and I will win this time. So Thimble is going first. Wow, he got $100 more from the first. Fantastic, his luck is just fantastic. I hope my luck goes well too. Well, there goes $200 from Pussy. Why is everyone getting double? Wow, auction now. So I own the auction and I have bought the blue poverty. Okay, I have to buy this. Screw it, I'm going to buy it. Yes. Okay, there goes my $220 more. Let's see if I get any property. I certainly do. Fantastic. So I've got 3 property and none have got none. Yeah, 4 property. Okay. $200 fine. Well, both of them got $200 fine, and both of them are animal. Technically, I am an animal too, but I'm a bird. Okay. Well, at least somebody else other than me owns a property and goes to jail. What an irony. JK, the pussy. With the yellow. Okay. Okay, I won the bit and got $300. That's $300 more worth of property. Well, I'm getting poor real quick. Okay, so 2 people. Only Sentosa doesn't own a property, and I own another property. This is going great actually. I own the entire corner of the jail, around the jail. What till luck. Yeah, I understand you got 200. This is my property. Wish I owned one more. I should have owned one more. Yeah, $100 fine. Well, everyone is getting fined for no reason at all, and I haven't passed the free parking yet, and everybody else has. Should I buy it? Yeah, why not? I'll sell it later. Yes, on my property, baby. $6. And 6 months is not great, but still better than nothing. Someone else orange. You know what? JetCat should own another orange, so it would be fair. Yes, property. Where does it chance happen? Is I should go to jail. Nah, I should not go to jail. I should go to go. Cannot find. If I get fined, I will be screwed. If I get fined, I will be screwed. Well, that was what I was expecting. Well, green won and owns this green property. Wow, what a rhyme. Okay, I have to get this too. I don't know, I am just obsessed with railroads for no reason at all. No, I think I have a reason, but I just don't know. I have to find it in my mind. But well, I'm too lazy to do that. Okay. Well, everyone is paying $50 monolas for getting out of jail in the first turn. Good for you. Okay, go. That's not go. Don't find me, please. This is not good. Okay, I will see you when I have something to do. Okay, so now I can afford it. I don't know why I went with so much effort to buy it, but well, I bought it just because I'm an idiot and maybe reckless. Who knows? Also, I bought a railroad. Now I exchanged railroad for my rate. I think I said it wrong. It should be I exchanged my rate for my railroad. For a railroad. Yeah, that's it. I think he has been jailed for 3 times. Okay. Which is absolutely amazing. Just to see that person would suffer and a place. Come on. Well, getting out of jail for the 3rd time. That's how many crimes he committed. Well, he's paying the rent every time just because he doesn't own the 2 orange. Nah, any orange to him. Just as I was saying, it came back to me. I'm gonna exchange that green, no, that blue for this red. Well, he didn't accept my trade, so you should suffer. Well, he ultimately got $194 monodollars. Yeah, what a luck. You got the money just so you can offer it. Wow, he bought. What the fuck is this trade? My goodness, why is he giving me so much? I mean, yeah, I will take it. Oh, so that's what he wanted to do. My goodness. So he owns step 2 blues. I mean, I can't lie, that's a pretty interesting turn of event. Well, I got a color set in exchange of my 2 purple. So I'll just go ahead and do this and get poor. Hit me with poverty and money. Well, shit. I have to buy it from him now. Why did I waste my money? Anyways. Uh, so green won the auction and Thimble doesn't own it. The yellow. I mean. And I have to follow it. Welcoming rent for you. What can I say more? 60, wow. How did he just land on 2 unowned property? 1 of 20 under. Bullshit, man, bullshit. Another railroad, you are kidding me. I think he bought the 3 railroad and I got it. I got 2 of them from him. And I'll have to buy the 3rd from him too. Also, that's great. So, he owned this property. What can I say? Everyone is, yes, some monolith. Everyone is poor except him. Will he buy it? Yeah, he will. Because why not? Wow, what a deal. I mean, why wouldn't you? Seriously. Okay. 50. Not bad. Both work. Yes. Buy this. Yes, color set. And then 242. Yeah, sure, why not? Just because I have no money and I won't have any money now. Well, I'm screwed. 7 to 2 count. Well, it's great. I'm so poor right now. Well, there is someone poor than me. Wow, he's just one smaller poor than me. And now he's not. What an irony. Wow, he landed on the only unknown property. And it's his now. My turn. Where am I? Yes. Yes, the 3rd railroad. The 4th railroad. Now I own all of them. How much money will you get? He was like at 7 and now he has got 379. That's ridiculous. Free parking will just happen. Well, the only electric company I don't own and can't afford. Well, 180 for just an electric company. What can I say? And he doesn't even own the other one. Reading Railroad. Oh my. Just 2 turns behind. Yeah, got it. Okay, I can at least unmortgage the mortgaged one. Everyone is passing. Oh wow. Okay, let's risk some. Risk. Yeah, 150 is enough. I hope so. And yeah, I can't unmortgage that. Free parking does nothing. Won't even land on the property I have. Yeah, at least land on one. Thank you for just 40. Yeah. The only one that I mortgaged. Just come on, reload. Yes. Yes, reload. 400 bucks. Okay, at least I can do this. And do this. Fine. Free parking. Everyone is landing on free parking. Because it's free to park and nothing is free on the world. Wow, seriously? 3 of us landed on free parking. Wow, this electric company is really profitable. Almost makes me wanna buy it. But I won't do it. Yeah, why not? I have only 4 monoliths left now. And no one's going to my property otherwise. Anyways, wow, really? Thank you for doing me a favor and donating me 100 monoliths. Yes, 250. Good business, baby. Okay. Where did it put me? Not there. Well, better than losing 200. Everyone is earning and losing it very quick. I just Usain Bolt does not upgrade his blue properties because that would be a trouble. Well, at least I have passed it, so no problem at all. Just gonna increase this. Yeah, why not risk it? Just because I can. And I am landing on my own property, which is good. No chance, no community chest, no nothing. Well, lose your 200 that you just got. Seriously? Come on, why wasn't it the first time? It would have helped me a lot. Chance, come on, anything on my property? That's not much. Well, okay. My property again. Oh, so he landed on my property and he's going to give me 450. Good for me. Ah, no, he passed. He passed it. Fine by me. Because he doesn't own the other Brahm, he can't upgrade his house, so he can't get more money, which is better for everyone else. Community chest, what's gonna be 10 monoliths? Wow, that was freebie. Yeah, $100 fine. Where is it? On the yellow. Well, 48, not bad. Better than, marginally better than 100. Just one. Well, whatever. Come on, I didn't get to upgrade it. I would have got 150 more, but that's okay. 200. Wow. Oh, Santa Star is at 1. Okay, I am risking more. Where is it? Community chest. Ah, shit. Okay, I at least have 100, so 4. Yeah, I can afford it. Fine by me. And I'm going to put another house here. If summer lands good, otherwise nothing to say about that. $100, yes, $100, 100 fine. You should have just mortgaged the green, but okay. Everyone is landing on their own property. Ah, come on, the only free St. Transport. Where is it? Ah, the mortgaged one. Well, at least he can give another go. Okay. Wow, 70 monolar fine. He just got the money and he's losing it. Well, I think this time I won't be the first to be eliminated because I feel positive and I don't feel so positive now. He got 200 and he is going to prison for getting the 200. Yes, 540 or 875, sorry. Everything, you should be giving everything to me. Come on, he survived one property with one property. Still good enough. I didn't get a chance. Wow, fine. I'm just going to upgrade these things just because why not. So I brought all the purple property with money. It cost me like 700. Good, let's go. Never do I don't think we will fall on that, so wow. Well, you shouldn't have paid 50 if you are gonna get that. Well, Jetcat is green, but he landed on green and paid green $50. Shit is fine. Okay. So 7 bullets and 28 houses left. Because I put a hotel and hotel removes all the houses. So more houses are available. Someone should fall on these costly properties so I can get money and earn mortgage all of my properties. Don't land on it. Land on my property, please. I beg you. Where is this? Oh, yeah, at least I can pay myself. Because I'm broke already. 41. Shoot. Come on, yes. You're screwed. Jetcat. 331. Bankrupt, yes. At least I'm not the first one to go bankrupt. Yeah, why not on mortgage? And I own the blue property. Now this side is fully mine, except the 2 properties owned by Trimble. Or 20, sorry. Yeah. Didn't get the 700. I can't, so else I would have got more money, but yeah, sure. Oh, he's bankrupt too. Well, this is going absolutely crazy. Well, landed on the only thing I don't have a hotel on. Anyway, I can pay myself, so not to worry there. Just 24. Nothing crazy. I don't really have money to do anything because I don't have the money, because I am not getting money. Oh, we are the only 2 left. I forgot about that. That's why I was taking Wise McDonald coming so soon. He only owns 5 property, so good for me. Come on, 200. Where's this? Not where I want to be. Yes, sure, I want to be there. My god, 200. This causes 200. Yes, sure. The cost was much, but it wasn't worth it. Get out of jail. Doesn't he have 2 get out of jail free card? Nah, he does. He only one. He has only one. No. Not. I'm going to mortgage this too. And put a house here. And now that I'm thinking, I shouldn't have buy 2 more houses. And should have unmortgaged the railroads. But regardless, I will win. No matter what I do. Oh, I have a double up. I should go to prison. I almost like going to prison. For some reason. Yeah, anything is, every railroad is unmortgaged, so he can't pay me. And this is my bad luck too. Yeah, what do I have anyway? Yes. 150. Oh, he's done. Shoot, I should have. Well, nothing. Okay. And I will do, just because why not? Anywhere he steps on will get shot. Yes. And he's bankrupt. I won. Yes. Won by $1,000 baby. Except that brown one. How did that escape? But still, I won everything. Look at the result. $6,000 I received for rent. That was good game, guys. I think I have learned Monoplay well, and now I can win at least against easy one. So I will try medium in the next episode. Be healthy. See you guys in any other video other than this. Bye bye. Chillax.